Hello, and welcome to Tap Dance Tuesdays, where we talk about tap dance for 2 minutes every Tuesday. My name is Andrew Nimmer, and we're coming to you from Van Tap Studios here in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. Today we're talking about 3 aspects of a tap dance performance, which are sound, touch, and feel. I recently heard an interview with the amazing bassist, Bootsy Collins, and he was expounding on kind of the uniqueness. Well, he was trying to explain how he got his sound. And he said, well, with regards to any instrument, you have kind of what it sounds like, the touch the musician has on the instrument, literally, and the feel. So you've got 3 things. You've got kind of what the instrument itself sounds like. You have the touch, the literal sense of touch and impact that the dancer, in our case, has with the floor. Is the dancer like, or is the dancer, and then you have feelings that those different sounds and touches generate. And those 3 things provide a nice little framework. I'd never heard this explained this way before. Provides a nice little framework for how we can articulate our voice. The way that we approach, each one of us approaches our dancing. What do we sound like? What's our touch like? And what feeling do we generate?